Something that gets overlooked way too often on our adventures is a first aid kit. I don't know if you've ever changed a tire with a good tire iron and changed a tire with a bad tire iron. It's much easier to change a tire with the right tools. And when you're in an emergency situation, it's definitely a time that you need the right tools. Now, it's not as glamorous or fun to order this as new tire irons. I get it. But this just set it and forget it, baby. Then if you need it, it's so organized and labeled, you don't have to think. Because when you're hurting or your buddy's hurting, you can't think. So do yourself a favor, look into this. Now, there's many options of first aid kits, but this has definitely got to be on the top of the list, so check it out. And another reason that I love this company, that small gift inside. Oh, you shouldn't have, but you did. Thank you. What the brap is up, everybody? Cody with Two Wheels in a Tent. I have some exciting news I wanted to share with you guys first for this. But the exciting news is, this year I will be working with Surviveware. Very excited about that. Like I said, I believe in their product, and they seem to believe in what we're doing here, so pretty awesome. I have a new piece of Surviveware to try out. Today we're just going to unbox it. Obviously I haven't used it, it's still in the package, but we'll take a look at what's inside, and at a later date I'll give you my thorough opinion of it. We're going to get into it right after this. Previous video I showed you this Surviveware first aid kit. Number one, it's awesome. Number two, I liked the company. They reached out to me after I bought it, made sure that everything was alright. They actually ended up sending me a free flashlight to throw in the kit, which was pretty cool. I just liked that their customer service actually cared about the customer. That's how this all started. Heard about it from a friend. See how organized everything is? Everything is labeled, has a place. That's why I really liked this kit. I've been in a first aid situation where I was looking for something, somebody was hurt, and I had my first aid kit on the bike. Yeah, it's a good thing they weren't bleeding out, because they'd no longer be with us. He actually had one of these. And while I'm tearing my bike apart looking for something to stop some bleeding, he had already bandaged himself up, was back on the bike and ready to ride. Just a small first aid kit that I carry on all my adventures. Here's the new waterproof kit, so you can tell quite a bit of size difference. We're going to get into this one. Feels pretty leafy. Straps are pretty good. Like that it has the adjuster. So we got the Molly system on the back, snap system, Molly, D-rings, and I believe you can actually take that off as well. So mounting options. Pretty much unlimited. In case your hands aren't working, you're stressed, in shock, you have the fine motor skills not working real well, got this nice zipper handle to grab so you can open it. Also this for stability. Let's take a peek. Got a small gift inside. Oh, you shouldn't have, but you did. Thank you. Okay, I just have to say, another reason I like working with this company. I have bought a lot of products in my life. Never have I had something as thoughtful and cool as this.
Hi, this is Amanda and Yonku, and we are the co-founders of Surviveware.
We wanted to personally thank you for buying our waterproof first aid kit. We're so proud. This is the first soft shell first aid kit with label compartments in the world.
I hope this innovative product will always be there for you when you need it the most. A faithful companion on all your adventures.
How cool is that? The owners of the company in the card thanking you for your purchase. Because, you know, when you're in a panic, some simple instructions might be helpful. Skin cleaning wipes, burns and scalds, burn care. Got a plethora of safety pins, which are very useful. Cotton swabs, maintenance grease for the zipper, keep it waterproof. This unvelcros from that, make it much easier to get to stuff. Fever strips, see if your buddy's got the coronavirus, hopefully not. Little keychain whistle, tape, wound care, and I'm going to leave a link below to Surviveware's video of this. He goes through everything, shows you pretty much everything. You got the triangular bandage, an emergency blanket, conforming bandages, gloves, pressure bandage, adhesive dressings, combine dressings, wound closures, cotton gauze swabs, wound cleaning, eye pads, not by Apple, non-adhesive wound care, and a CPR kit that is removable. You can put it on your keychain, whatever. Inside is adult CPR and child CPR. You got your antiseptic towelettes, gloves, your CPR breathing mask. These beefy tweezers. So there you have it. There's the first look at the waterproof Surviveware first aid kit. And as always, I'm going to leave a link below to the products in this video. If you use those links to pick them up, it helps out the channel and it doesn't cost you anything extra. So if you like what we're doing here and want to see more, appreciate your support. So as always, stay safe, baby, and come join the adventure!